Just come into the Australian Muscle Car showroom is this beautiful 1979 Ford Fairmont Ghia. Presented in Arctic blue, it's been maintained very nicely. It's had external paint, it's got the globe wheels. Let's dive into this beautiful car and get some more details on it. Beautifully presented in the engine bay here. It features the original 4.9 litre V8, original FMX 3-speed automatic. Tags haven't been removed off the car, external paint only. Very nice, very tidy. The Fairmont Ghias did come out with power steering as an option, and they had front and rear disc brakes. In the interior, featuring this beautiful leather and velour dove interior with the factory integrated air conditioner and also optioned with the AM/FM radio. This car has travelled the original mileage of 210,000 kilometres, meticulously maintained by its previous owners. Not often do you see an XD Fairmont Ghia in Arctic blue, but in this exceptional maintained condition. Come check out the Australian Muscle Cars website and have a look at this beautiful car before it goes. Thank you.